Okay, I think we're going into training now. We're going into spin. Right, the little machining. We're going to rinse.